Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Huddly L1 webcam and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not connecting to your computer or to your network, or if it seems to be not responding or not detected by the computer or anything like that, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up someplace new and you just want to have it delete all of the previous settings and connection history and everything like that, we can do that very easily. All we need to do is come behind it to the little USB connection cavity, and we are going to unplug the Ethernet cable. And then we're going to come in with a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it could damage things. And in that little hole in the top left of the connector cavity, we're just going to press and hold it. And then while we're pressing and holding that button, we're going to go ahead and plug the Ethernet cable back into the camera. And then we're going to continue to hold that, all the while holding that button pressed down in the little recessed hole for about 10 seconds after we've plugged it back in. That will cause the camera to reset to its factory default out-of-the-box settings.